Hello, this is Right Side Trader. Today is January 3rd, 2025, and this is my weekly market review, where I'm reviewing the S&P 500, that's SPY, on a quarterly chart, monthly chart, weekly chart, and a daily chart. This is all for educational purposes only, no trade recommendation, because as we all know, trading is risky. You can lose money at trading. So please check with your financial advisor. Please check with your significant other, and make sure trading is something that is suitable for you. Happy New Year, everyone. Let's maximize this quarterly chart. See what we see here and all. And what we see here, we see green. Starting off the year green, we are above the yearly pivot. And also I expect this market to be another strong bull market. We got to kind of like wait and see, as long as we stay above this pivot and still keep continuing what we've been doing for over a year. Higher lows and higher highs. As long as this pattern keeps going, we are a very strong bull market. Can it keep going? That's the question. How long is it going to keep going? That's the question. We just got to kind of like wait and see and all. But let's go down to this monthly chart and see what we see on this monthly chart. On this monthly chart, what we see here is that we had a red month last month. Looked like a piercing pattern at the top, but we are already beginning to turn green. We are starting off the month above pivot, starting off the quarter above pivot. The thing is, I expect it to go higher when I get above pivot like this and make new highs. The question is that going to actually really happen? We have to kind of like wait and see. But based on what we are seeing here, technically we are still in a bull market. So again, higher we go. Let's go ahead and go down to the weekly chart and see what we see there. On this weekly chart, we are still, this is the 50 moving average here that I have on here, the 50 and the 200, and we came right back. We started out above pivot this month. We ended up closing it above pivot like I expect and all. But come next month, we're going to be opening near. With these pivots, they're not starting until the beginning of the full week of this month. We will look like it's going to be close to starting above pivot or just below pivot. We kind of like got to wait and see what's going to happen there. If this market's going to actually reverse this trend, because really it's in a kind of like downward trend. Although we have two green candles here, we do have lower highs and lower lows. The thing is, can we reverse that trend and get some higher lows and higher highs on this weekly chart? That's what we're going to be looking out for. So that's what I see there. And will we open next week above pivot? That's going to be the big key. But let's go ahead and go down to the daily chart and wrap this on up. On this daily chart with this daily noise, see, this daily noise is showing this potential of actually reversing that bearish pattern that we had that was in the wrong location. We had a bearish pattern down here at the bottom and all. That's a bearish engulfing on a doji and we did get a red candle kind of like going through it and actually going below that level and closing near that low. But then come today, this second day of the year trading, we ended up with a higher low and a higher high. And this is showing that maybe that trend is getting in the reverse and we're getting ready to start back heading higher. And that's what I see here on the SPY. And that's all I really want to share at this time. This is Solomon, Right Side Trader. Hope you guys had a great week. Hope you guys are having a happy new year. And let's make a lot of money this year. All right. Have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.